This section of the catalog is very special. This is the anatomy of a masterbooks course. So masterbooks courses are intentionally designed. One of the features that you'll find with most of the courses is that most are all-in-one, and if they're not an all-in-one course, they will come with a teacher guide separate from the student text or from a couple of books that you will use with it. But it's very easy to use. Masterbooks has a daily schedule and it assigns what to read, what to do, and there's a check mark box to say when you did it or when you're going to do it. It's very flexible in how to do scheduling, and that's often within the teacher guide. Or if it's in an all-in-one book, it's going to be at the beginning of the book. There's built-in review, assignments, there's additional information and resources for parents in the front of the book. In the back of the book, there is information on how to grade the course if grading is applicable for that level that you're using. So it's really intentionally designed to meet the needs of your students, but also to meet the need of a parent. And if more support is needed for a course, we do invite everyone to the Masterbooks communities, where if you come across an assignment and you have some questions about it or you need some support, we invite you to the Masterbooks communities in the Facebook group and the app, where you can ask questions, and other moms who are using the material right along with you will help support you and show you maybe how their student handled it or how they adapted it for their student, and which components are especially exciting for you or the ones that you value most.
The ones that I'm most dependent on is definitely that scheduling. That's the heavy lifting already done for me. And no matter what time of year we start, so we're kind of weird homeschoolers. We actually start our new year in January. I love that it's flexible. So we just start from day one, week one, and we go from there. And it's nice that I can get like a clear outline and I can just see if those check marks are checked off at the end of the day, or if I'm being honest, sometimes a week later at the end of the week, I'm looking at it. But I also love that in that checklist, there's also a place for you to grade it. So your kids can actually see the progress of after you've like checked it off and you've graded, you can have that on there. And so they can see if they're doing well and what they're not doing well, or, and I really appreciate that, because I live in a state that I do have to have a certain amount of days. And so that's all planned out for me. And it saves me so much time, especially with so many students. Also, I really think it's important to read the back of the book, the back of the book and the front of the book. It'll tell you about the course and credits and all of that. But the back of the book is where the rich content for like teacher aids are, to help you know how to grade. If you've never done that, or if you're not as comfortable, it gives you a real good Rubik like idea of what you should be looking for in order to grade your kids' essays. And I love that language lessons teaches them in the third or fourth level, like how to write a good topic sentence, supporting sentences. And then eventually you're writing all types of essays. And in this level 10 here, they get to read a biography, do a biography, but then also an autobiography, and know what that is, and then have to write about themselves. They're learning interview like skills too. So there's so many communications in there, and you really get to understand the full impact of the course if you take the time to read the beginning and the end of the books. If you're intimidated by a subject, and let's face it, most moms are either intimidated by language lessons, or English, math, and science. And but to have something holding your hand through the way, by you just taking like a few minutes when you first get the books and really spend some time with it, and have those teacher aids in the back, they really do help, and they also help your student. And those have been the most helpful for me.
Absolutely. And the anatomy of a Masterbooks course, while we do have language lessons pictured, this layout is designed for all of the courses. So you will see that daily schedule and all of these components across the board in all of Masterbooks subjects. And it's really designed to be simple and easy to use, so that you don't have mountains of books And those books, as we know, can get lost so easily. And so even though my students, they find a way somehow to lose their one book that they have from Master Books, I'm just so thankful that the anatomy of the course does make it simple and easy to use with everything in one place, so that we lose a lot less as we go.